Alright, this isn't well, it does have electronics in it, believe it or not. This is a present I got for Christmas. It is a Vita scope. It's put out by the company Rokr, R-O-K-R, and they have a whole bunch of kits. If you go onto Amazon or someplace, take a look, eBay. And they are laser cut wood, and they have, like I said, a whole bunch of kits. This one happens to be a movie projector. It's really cool. And you crank, it's hand crank, and get the focus a little bit better here. You turn the crank, and it actually plays a movie. So you would think it would have batteries in it, but it doesn't. So I'll show you how that works. It's an amazing kit. It's done really well, really high quality. The instructions are very detailed. This kit is not for the faint of heart. It takes many hours to put this thing together, but it was really fun. I really enjoyed it, and it's made out of that birch plywood. I think it's like 5-ply plywood, and lots and lots of parts. Let's get back out here. So yeah, lots of parts. And like I said though, it's made really well. And the most interesting thing is there's no glue required. Everything is press fit, so everything is made at super high precision, and so it all just kind of slips together, and it goes. So it is a 3D wooden puzzle, Vitascope LK601. And I'm not going to show a video of me putting it together. Like I said, it took me many days and hours to put this thing together. But I did want to kind of show it off because it is really pretty, and it's really cool. And I'll show it to you working. So let me get the camera different, and I'll show you the actual unit. All right, here it is. Does have the crank on the side, and it's actually quite clever. It actually has a Geneva mechanism to advance the film. You should go, if you don't know about Geneva mechanisms, you should go look them up. They're very cool mechanical devices that index the frames. It moves the frame in quickly, it holds it there, and then it moves the next frame in. Genevas are used in watches and other things, but they're a really cool mechanism. There's an actual film that it's nothing standard. It's a film that they made, and the sprocket holes and everything that they designed. But let me spin it around here. Here's their let's move it around over to this side. Has a pretty cool insignia here. Let's see here. It says, "You may be out of my sight, but never out of my mind." There actually is a little lever here. We flip, and the door will open. You can actually watch the mechanism inside. There is an LED that is the light source, and then it's kind of hard to see, but in the back there's an actual generator. I don't know if it's a motor used as a generator or an actual generator, but when you crank it, the generator creates electricity and turns the LED on. So that's pretty cool. Let's see here. Zoom back out. Flip the latch. In the front here, there actually is some lens elements, and this little slider here is focus, so you can move the lens in and out, and actually focus the thing. So that's pretty cool. This is just for fun. It doesn't really mean anything, but Like I said, here's the actual Geneva mechanism. That's cool. Like I said, there are lots and lots and lots and lots of parts on this thing. Oh, this little door in the front too, so you can open this little door up. I think it's to help feed when you put the film in. Helps you feed the film. Yeah, it's very cool. Let's see here. Look at the. There you go. This is the film. It's almost 16 by 9. high def projector. Let's see here. Let's see if I can put up sort of a little projection screen and show you this thing working. All right, I have a little piece of paper here, and I will crank it, and we will see if we see the. Focus it here. See if we can see a movie. I'll try to block the light. Here we go. So it's a little bit like Charlie Chaplin walking around. So I hope you can see that. But there you go. I recommend the kit. Probably all the other kits made by Rokr are probably good too. But I had a lot of fun putting this one together, and it's really fun just to put on the shelf and stare at. It's a nice thing.